standing right now is the second floor of Icon Siam Mall. And as you can see, there's an Apple store on this floor. And it's a beautiful area where you can take a lot of pictures, make Instagram reels, and enjoy the beautiful riverside city view. And I'm at one and only Apple store. Look at this, it gives you a complete different vibe. Eventually, it's an apple. Look at this. Oh, this is not less than any airport. Amazing infrastructure. See, I'm at a restaurant called Bibimbap and it has a theme. If you look, see, these are the kind of seating arrangements done in the water, and this is on the 5th floor of this mall. Isn't it something amazing? Can you believe this is the kind of architecture they have done? It's the same kind of the design the Singapore airport has. Let's go. I'm finding a restaurant on this floor. Probably I'll be getting something to eat. This one is the 7th floor of this mall, and from here you can have food, tea, coffee, and enjoy the beautiful view of this river. Something amazing experience. Okay, now I'm going to check out from the mall and I'll show you how I'm going to go back to the hotel. So this is made up out of straw. Okay, nice one. Chalo, after exploring the mall, traveling back to Satang, you'll again have to buy the ticket, and that's 8 bahts per person. I'll show you how the Satang is. See, this is how it looks. I'll board this and I'll show you. Let's grab the first seat. Okay. ड्रायव्हरच्या समोर बसायचा, आम्ही सोबत बसायचा वेगळा आनंद असतो. Look at this. It's a beautiful view. And this is the mall where we had been to. Okay. Satang sitting arrangement. Look at this amazing view. I couldn't get a ticket for those. This is Satang from where we boarded the first ship, and now we will be getting down to the Satang drop destination or drop point. Okay, amazing experience. If you're coming to Bangkok, keep this in your itinerary. It was worth visiting. Amazing view, an amazing place and mall as well. 250. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Say hi to camera. We was back to the market. Look how the local roads are. Amazing experience to travel with the tuk-tuk. See where I'm standing right now is Platinum area, and this is Hotel Bayoke. A good option for Indians if you guys want to come, because a lot of Indian crowd and Indian hotels you will find here. So this is one of the mall. I'm going to Platinum again. Look at this, and this road connects to this both the malls. Look at the road and the traffic behind me. There's a bridge connecting to two different malls. So hey guys, again I have come back to the store to buy the stuff, and we have with us Mr.
Yeah, I'm Dave.
Dave.
Yes.
Dave, you want to say something to our viewers?
Yes, welcome to Vashi. We got good collection here and good price. Special
Okay.
price for you guys.
Discounted
Always
price.
yeah,
what's
always
what's the
discount.
name of the store and the number?
Hashi there.
And 1162 is the number.
62, yeah.
Okay. This is the logo, by the way. You can also scan and
For
stay in
everyone,
touch with them.
yes.
Okay, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, boss. Thank you. Yeah,
Kapunka.
own car, yes.
So right now I'm at Khausan Road, and there's a very good Indian restaurant which I found. It's a Tikka and Talk Indian food restaurant. After a lot of struggle, we could finally find an Indian restaurant, and I found something on the wall. This is, what is it written? Chai bina chैन कहाँ रे, मेरे सपनों की बिरयानी कब आएगी तू. Then here you have, you are the chutney to my samosa, and you melt my heart like butter on fresh hot roti. So very good ambience, and it's next to Khausan Road. Has a rich legacy of 20 years. Very nice. We also met to the owner, very polite. So you can definitely visit if you come to this place. So hey guys, as I told you, I have come to a place, a hotel called as Tikka and Talk. So it's a beautiful name, something unusual. We generally find fancy name. So that's something different I found. I also have with me the owner of the hotel, Miss Simran ma'am. Ma'am, hello. Okay, so let's go and have a little bit of conversation, because I had been to many hotels here in Bangkok, but this one, it's something unique I found. It's getting homely vibes, so I didn't resist myself to have a special conversation with Simran ma'am. So let's go and ask some question to her to know more about the restaurant. Hello ma'am, how are you? Ma'am, as I was talking to you, name of the hotel is very interesting. So can you tell me what is the logic behind or reason behind keeping such name like Tikka and Talk? हाँ हिंदी टिक्का या हमारी भाषा है. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, बिकॉज मैं पिछले 10 दिन से ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, और मुझे हिंदी में बोलने वाले अगर कोई मिलता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जैसे कि हम हमारे लोगों से मिल गए, ऐसे लगता है. सो
नाम हमने यूनिकली सोचा कि काफ़ी नाम, बट इस नाम पे स्टिक हो गए क्योंकि टिक्का हमारा नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड है. तो उसमें सब चिकन टिक्का, पनीर टिक्का, जो हमारे प्लेटर्स जाते हैं सब टिक्का टाइप का क्ले आइटम. तो टिक्का इज दैट बिलोंग टू दैट टिक्का, एंड टॉक मीन्स आप रेस्टोरेंट में
conversation. So have Tikka and talk to with the believed one.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. It was really interesting to know the name and interesting fact about the name of the hotel. So can you please also tell us tell about the kind of food you offer to our viewers?
ऑफर वी हैव एक्चुअली हमारे पास नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड है, प्रॉपर नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड ऑल टाइप, बट साउथ इंडियन नहीं है. नॉर्थ इंडियन है, लिटिल चाइनीज. नॉर्थ इंडियन में मैं कहूँगी यहाँ पर स्पेशल जो खाते हैं और फिर से खाते हैं यहाँ पर, वो है चिकन बिरयानी, मटन बिरयानी एंड समोसास एंड बटर चिकन. ये हमारा स्पेशल है यहाँ पर. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड, सब कुछ स्वाद है, पर ये थोड़ा हम देखते हैं कस्टमर से कि वो बार बार ये चीज़ ज़रूर खाते हैं. मतलब अगर एक ऑर्डर किया तो एक उसकी रिपीटेशन होती है.
Okay. And ma'am, I was also reading on the wall where you have written कि आपको 20 साल हो गए हैं.
More than now, you can say we are more than 22 years here now.
Okay, so being like it's a foreign country where it's very difficult to get, you know, Indian stuff, but still you manage to keep the same taste, bring Indian flavor to the food. So आप कैसे कर लेते हैं?
Before it was very difficult, but nowadays it's not difficult.
Import export easy हो गया अभी.
Before, like I can talk 20 years before, जब नया खुला था, तो we used to order our all masalas from India. So whoever is coming, we have to order in the bulk. तो थोड़ा सा difficulties थी उस वक्त, but काफ़ी मैनेज हो गया क्योंकि हेल्प करने वाले बहुत थे लोग. मेरे हस्बैंड के फ्रेंड्स बहुत हैं, तो वो हेल्प कर रहे थे. So, बट अभी ये है कि हम कम मंगाते हैं कि यहाँ मिल जाता है.
यहाँ पे मिल जाता है.
So it's very easy to find nowadays. पहले थोड़ा मुश्किल था.
मैम आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा बात करके, तो इट्स लाइक ओवरवेलमिंग. मैम ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट टू से समथिंग टू आवर व्यूअर, एनी मैसेज यू वांट टू लीव स्पेशली फॉर द इंडियन व्यूअर्स.
Of course इंडियंस के लिए यही गुजारिश है कि प्लीज़ आए हमारे यहाँ पर रेस्टोरेंट में, हमारे यहाँ पे खाना खाएं. हमारे जो स्टाफ है बहुत फ्रेंडली है और एटमॉस्फेयर काफ़ी फ्रेंडली है. खाना ऑफ कोर्स स्वाद है, ट्राई तो करें एक बार, ज़रूर आए. वी आर मोस्ट वेलकम एवरीवन हियर, आवर ऑल इंडियन भाई बहन.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We will keep the details of the hotel, and if you have Instagram handles in the description of this video, please check the details of the restaurant. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
You will get Indian food at a reasonable cost and also very tasty and delicious food. It was really nice talking to the owner. So this is, by the way, let me tell you, it is not at all a paid promotion. It was my personal experience. That's why I thought of sharing with you. So that's all about where I had a food today. I'm waiting at the signal and it's 9:30. Look at the digital display. This is what the era of digital marketing, how people run advertisements. Anyway, now I'm going to end this vlog. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Because any vacation is incomplete if you don't try the local delicacies. So yes, today I'm going to go to the Thai restaurants to enjoy the authentic Thai food.